be taking you on an adventure and explore some amazing snacks from around the world. Today, we will focus on the continent of North America, and we will make some yummy chocolate-covered crisps. So stay tuned for a fun-filled adventure.
Let's get started! For these delicious chocolate-covered potato crisps, you will only need milk chocolate and some potato crisps. And to learn how to make these yummy homemade crisps, watch our herbivore, carnivore and omnivore snacks video. Chocolate-covered potato crisps is a popular snack in North America. Step 1. Chop the chocolate into smaller pieces. Did you know that North America is the third largest continent in the world? Step 2. Melt the chocolate. We will be melting ours on the stove top. To do this, you need some water in a small pot and the chocolate in a bowl. All you need to do is place the bowl on top of the boiling water and allow this to melt. There are 23 countries in North America, with Canada being the largest country. Step 3. Now coat or dip your crisps into the melted chocolate and place this on a plate or parchment paper. Potato crisps and chocolate are our favorite snacks, so this is going to be amazing! Step 4. Refrigerate for about 15 minutes or until the chocolate has set. So yummy! Chocolate is my favorite!
Thank you for watching. And to learn about more popular snacks in other continents, remember to subscribe to our channel and join us next time. See you all soon. Goodbye.
Bye.